Channel 4 Action News reporter Bob Mayo is at the scene, and he's live with the very latest. Bob.
Yeah, there are scores of emergency responders still coming and going here, but the most important are still on their way, coming here from all the way to Texas to deal with a wildfire in western Pennsylvania that is still burning. An army of firefighters, police, paramedics, and emergency responders are on hand. Why does the natural gas well fire continue to burn in the wake of an explosion that killed 2 workers?
You know, if in fact we would put the fire out, it would be easy to put the fire out, but quite frankly, tactically, it would be very reckless and dangerous to do that.
Contracted welders working within 10 feet of the gas well apparently set off the explosion. Well owner Huntley & Huntley is bringing in experts from Texas to put out this fire.
We wanted to make sure that we didn't make anything worse. The folks that are flying in here are a couple hours away, and we didn't want to make the situation any worse than it is right now.
County Executive Dan Honorato says he wants answers about why the company has to turn to Houston to solve this problem.
I want to find out more about who's coming in, what is the expertise coming in, and why isn't it closer? Why don't we have that here?
Here you can see the huge oil tank they were working on, mangled, hurled 70 yards into the surrounding woods by the force of the deadly explosion.
When we went up to the site, there was a tank that exploded. On the ground, dented. The bottom of it was ripped to shreds, and pipes were just laying down, trees were down.
This is being treated as a crime scene. We're not saying the crime occurred here by any stretch of the imagination, but everything is evidence.
And we can tell you that the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms, while again this is not a crime scene, is here lending their expertise to investigators. Back to you.
All right, Bob, you mentioned some experts from Texas are coming in. Exactly what will they do when they get there?
Well, Bob Full, the emergency services chief, says we may hear some terminology here later tonight, similar to what we've been hearing with BP dealing with its spill. He says they're talking about a top kill approach, technology from the well and the energy industry that will be applied here by those out-of-state experts. And when they arrive at Pittsburgh International Airport, they're going to be coming here to this scene with a police escort, Andrew.
All right, Bob Mayo live in Indiana Township. Thank you very much.